In this video, I'll show you how I train ChatGPT on my own data so it understands the specific context of my business and projects for every interaction. I'm starting right here on my homepage, and I'll begin by opening my notepad that contains my detailed business profile, revenue figures, and long-term goals. I'll highlight and copy all of this text to my clipboard to prepare the AI. Next, I navigate over to ChatGPT, paste that information directly into the prompt box, and ask it to identify the three most important things I should focus on right now. As I hit enter, you can see the AI analyzing my specific data in real time to provide a personalized growth strategy. I'll scroll through the response to see how it identifies key areas like product scaling and social media conversion based exactly on the numbers I provided. To go even deeper into the data, I'll move down to the chat bar and click the plus icon and select Add Photos and Files to upload a full Word document containing more extensive business records. I'll then prompt the AI to extract the three most important insights from this specific file. I'll take a moment to review the detailed analysis, which now covers everything from my profit margins to production constraints. To ensure ChatGPT remembers this vital context for every future conversation without me having to re-upload it, I'll copy my core data one last time. I'll click on my profile name in the bottom left corner, select Settings, and then navigate to the Personalization tab to open the Custom Instructions menu. I'll paste my business data into the field and click Save, effectively training the AI to always use my personal data as a reference for all our future chats. This setup creates a truly customized AI partner that understands my business as well as I do. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.